Okay, so I'm gonna give you guys three tasks, alright?
Yeah.
You complete all 3 tasks, you give this bad boy here. Okay?
Oh.
Right.
If I say here te kupu Māori more, so that means what is the Māori word for?
Can I play?
Alright.
Can you play?
Yeah.
If you want, come over here. Come join us, man. So, when I say hiaha te kupu Māori for, means what is the Māori word for? So, hiaha te kupu Māori for how
More.
are you?
Not for more.
Ding ding ding. Ke te pihi a koe.
It's pēhea koe. Ooh, okay.
Yeah.
Hiaha te kupu Māori more friend.
I'll give him a chance.
Yeah, let them.
Give him a chance.
I don't know. I haven't learned this
Well, I'm
one.
getting a phone call. They can have a chance. He can have a chance.
I have no clue. I'll try, mate.
What about you, man?
E hoa.
Yeah, what? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, if you had to put it in a sentence, how would you say both of them?
KTP. Oh.
Yeah.
Go,
you got
boy.
it,
Keep
brother, come
going,
on.
keep going.
Ah. KTP quit. Oh fuck! I forgot the thing.
E hoa.
Eho.
Congratulations, my
Yeah.
brother.
What is your name, sir?
My name's Caden.
Caden, man.
Caden.
Consider yourself a new owner of the GT
Ish.
35, brother.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, my G. I need you
Yeah.
to bless me with that voice of yours, bro.
How?
Have you heard of a bit of carpool karaoke?
Oh mate.
I have
mate.
I have the song pumped, mate. I want to hear it from the top of your lungs,
Oh
mate.
mate.
I think there's a builder.
Oh,
Hey, let's
fuck.
go.
Come on, baby. I want to hear this, bro. I need to hear this.
I don't know the fucking lyrics.
Just make it up, brother. Fish, help him.
Fuck, I can't
Help him,
do
Fish. Sing. Come on, brother. You gotta give it to me.
What's the song called?
1,000 miles, I think.
Okay, hold on.
You gotta restart the song.
Nah, carry on, brother. We carry on.
Oh, here we go. And I need you.
Yes.
I miss you.
Yes.
And I wonder
Go.
if I could pull into the
Into the sky.
Do you take time with Do you know I just walk 1,000 miles if I could just tonight.
Let's go, brother.
Oh, my mum's gonna get pissed.
That was beautiful. I mean,
Alright.
you might need to work on those that singing, my bro. You gave it a try, my bro. Congratulations, mate. Once
Thank you
again,
so much, man.
thank you for participating. I hope you thrive in the city. And do one more thing for me, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Tell your loved ones that you love them, okay?
Yeah, I will do.
Alright, bro, you be on your way, G. Yay!
Thank you so much.
Later, brother.
Yeah.
Yeah.